email eye-catching, so you should have knowledge and grip over the drag and drop option of the Klaviyo. Assalamu alaikum, my name is 𝐊𝐥𝐚𝐯𝐢𝐲𝐨 and welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing Chamber. Today I am going to discuss with you drag and drop option of Klaviyo. Remember, this option drag and drop is very important for designing the email. So if you want to design the email eye-catching, so you should have knowledge and grip over the drag and drop option of the Klaviyo. So for this I am going to select the campaign from the left side options of Klaviyo. I have opened Klaviyo, you can see on screen. So I select campaign from left side, and then I will select create campaign. Okay, again I will select create campaign, and then let me give it a name, practice drag and drop, and my channel name Marketing Chamber. Okay, remember it. So continue to content, then you will see a new screen, but here it is saying that you must include at least one list. So let me select any one of them just for formality, because here my objective is to show you the drag and drop option, so I will focus on that object mainly. So I select on drag and drop, and then we will select email template in which we make some changing, okay, to show you the how now of the different elements and different changes that you can make during the designing of email. Okay, so I will select this email template, and we will make some changing in this email template. Okay, so stay connected. So this is the template that I have selected, you can see on my screen. Okay, we will make changing in it. So first of all, if I want to make changing in email background and email this color, okay, so if I want to remove this picture, or if I want to replace this picture, so how I can do this? So then you have to select this option, style. So okay, I will go there and I will go bottom. Okay, so here I will select remove. So you can see that picture is removed. So if I want to add some other picture, or if I want to leave it a black color, then you don't need to touch it more. Okay, so if I want to add some picture, so I will click it here, change picture. So I will go browse file. So here I will select this picture and I will select upload, and then done. So as you can see that picture is uploaded behind it. So here again style, and here this is the option repeat yes or not. So as I have selected yes, if I select no, then you will see that this was the picture you can see behind. Okay, this was the picture, it is not repeating behind the template. So if I'll select yes, then you can see it is repeating and again. Okay, so from here you can select position, center top, center, and right top. Okay, so you can touch these settings. So here is the email background color, content background color, border. So these are other things that we have to discuss. So this was regarding the picture. So if I remove this picture, remove. Okay, so we will touch with other settings. So here is the width of email. This is the width of email. This is okay. This from this point to this point, it is the width of 600. Okay, so this is the background. You can change it. Okay, so you can change it, or you can write it here hexa F. Okay, so the color will be white. Hexa F is the code for white color. Okay, So this was the background of email, and this is the content background, color behind the content. So you can change it from here. So I will recommend that make the color similar this and this, so that it look awesome for me. Okay, so if you want some other changing, so you can, but it is the thing that I like. Okay, so I will select this color content background, also 𝐊𝐥𝐚𝐯𝐲. Okay, so this is the border, you can change with it, border radius, but these are the things that we don't touch mostly. Okay, so this is the color of text. So it is recommended and it is mostly used black, so but you can change it as per your requirement. So I will select it as black. So here the font style and line height, letter spacing, so these are the things you don't need to touch more. Okay, so these are the headings, okay. So if you want to make headings color change, so you can change from heading 1 to 3. So this was the regarding the background, this background, and the content background and the content color. Okay, so we will discuss the settings with the email. So if I want, if you want to edit or delete any option that is included in email template, so then you have to go to that component. So when you will go to that component, you will see 3 options on left side. So one is the delete, second is the clone block. Clone mean copy, if you want to copy this component. So and this is for add to save block. Okay, so but if I want to remove this picture, so I will yes, delete block. Okay, so if I want to add some picture, so from here you can add any component. So this is for text, this is for image, this is for split. Okay, if you want to make some partition in it, then you can have this one. Okay, this is the first left side and this is the right side. So this is the partition. Okay, so from here I want to add picture, so I will replace it. And if you want to import it from a URL, from website, or browse from your computer, so I will click on browse. So I will here, if you have already uploaded it, then you have to select it from image library, or if you don't have uploaded, then you have to click it here and click browse. So I will select it from here, and let me select it. Okay, let me select it here. Okay, so then I will click on upload and done. So you can see that picture is added. So if I want to replace it, then again click on image and replace image, and this time I will select picture from image library. Okay, so as you can see that this is the image library, and I want to add this from image library. So this is the image that I have added. So if you want to make some changing in this picture, okay, so I have to make it center. So I will select it, and I want that there should not be any empty space between this and this text. So click on fill image area, so it will be adjusted accordingly. Okay, so if I want to reduce or increase its width, then I have to write any number here, 150. So it is reduced to 150 pixel, and if I want to 500, so it is increased, so I write it here 300. So it's okay. Okay, so otherwise you can also make some changing of image from here. Okay, so this was for the image. So if you want some logo, you can also add in the image form. Okay, so I add picture, so I will select it from image library. If you have in your computer, so you have to select this option and you can import it. So I will go to bottom, and I will select a logo. Let me select it. Where is the logo? Okay, again I have to go to the next. So yes, this is select. So I want to make it centralized, so I will select it here, and I will select fill image area. So I will click on save. So if you want that if someone click on this logo, then he should go to your store. Then what to do? So click on this logo. Okay, so here is the link. So you can place your company logo or store logo or store link here. Okay, so as I have placed a link of a website, so I will click on save. So then if anyone will click it here, so then he will be redirected to your store link. Okay, so then we have to go to the text. So here are the text. So if you want to make some changing in the text, so you can add okay, so if you want to remove this all the text, so select Control A. Okay, so it will be selected all the text. So I can press backspace. So you can write it here anything. Hi audience, we are here today for discussing the drag and drop option of Klaviyo. Okay, so please stay connected. Okay, so this is the text that I have added. Now from here you can edit your text accordingly. So if I want to make it bold, so I have selected and I will click on bold. So if I want to make it italic, so I will select it here. I want to make it underline, so I will select it here. So from here you can make some color behind it, as you can see it here. So from here you can change the color of font. Okay, so if I want to, if I select this, so you can see that the colors change. So so from here you can change any font style, and from here size, and from here you can set alignment. So from here you can link this text with any website link or anything. Okay, so these are the other things that you can check out. Insert tag. Okay, these are the other things that you will learn with the passage of time. Okay, so this was about to the text. Okay, so if I want to remove this one, so I will select it here. And remember, if you want some text like this one, okay, so you have to go it here, and then you will select it from here, heading 1. So as you can see that add items. Okay, so from this block, from these options, you can select such headings options. Okay, so in the start I was curious that how I can add such like text in the text block. So with the passage of time I learned it, so I am sharing it with you. Okay, so save it. And then this is I have discussed with you text and image and split block. Now it is the button. Okay, so you can see it. If I want to remove it and I want to add from my own, so I will drag and drop. Okay, so here practicing, drag, drag and drop. Okay, so here you can link your store 𝐊𝐥𝐷.com. okay, so I will select it here. If you want to select fit to text, then the background color will be adjusted according to the text. If your text is short, then this will be short, and if your text is long, then it will be long. But if you select stretch width, then it will cover whole area. Okay, so I will suggest that use this option. Okay, so I will select it here, save. But if I want to make some changing, if I want to change the color of this button, then you have to select it here, and again go to the block style. Okay, this is the block and this is the block style. So I want to change the background color. I will make it black. I want to make it blue, so I will use it black. Okay, so this is the background. Here you can see button style. This is the button and this is the style, that how you can make it fashionable. So here from here you can make some changing. Border radius, this look from here that how it will change. I will click it 115. So you can see that border radius is changed from 5 to 15. Okay, so drop shadow, check it here that how it will affect drop shadow. As you can see that drop shadow. Okay, so you can see you can also use it drop shadow. So then here is the padding top, bottom, and padding left, right. So if I change it from 15 to 20, if I change it from 50, so as you can see the padding top and bottom. What is padding? Here is the text. From this point to this point it is the padding top, and from this point bottom of the text to the to this corner it is padding bottom. So 50, it means that it is the distance 50 pixel and it is also 50 pixel. So padding left and padding right, it is 15 pixel. So you can change accordingly. Now you should have concept what is padding. So from here you can change the text color. So as I can use it red, so I will use white. And font family and font size, font width, letter spacing, and mobile text content, no, it is by default. So block, background. Okay, so padding, as you can see this is the block background, but use it white. So I will use it white. Tetra F. Okay, so I will select on save. So I want to delete all these options, so I will go to the component, I will delete it, and I will delete it also. So how you can add social links from your drag and drop option. So from here click on it, drag and drop it here. No, yes, drag and drop it here. So from here you can add your social link. So I will add Facebook. You can see add Facebook. Then I will click on add button. Then I will add Twitter. Then I will add button. And then I will use YouTube. Okay, so you can add button more and more. But how to link these buttons with your Facebook page, Twitter, and YouTube? So this is the place that where you can place the link of your Facebook page. Okay, this is the place where you can place the link of your Twitter, and here you can place the link of your YouTube. Okay, so click on save. So if I want to this block changing, if I want some changing in this block, then again you have to select it, you have to click on it, and here you have to go to the block style. So I will select it here, inverse. So when you will click on inverse, then icon will be displayed as you can see. So if you will select on white, then you will then the icon will be white, and as the background is also white, so they are not visible. So I will select on by default. So as these are the images, so we cannot make changing in text settings. Okay, so here the letter layout, so leave as it is by default. So here block, so from here you can adjust the background of this block. So again I will use it dark gray, and from here you can align these buttons, center, this option or this option. Okay, so I will use center. So from here you can make changing padding. What is padding? From this point to this point, this is left padding. From this point to this point, this is right padding. From this point to this point, this is bottom padding, and from this point to this point, this is top padding. Okay, so I want to make changing in left and right padding. So this is the left padding. So when I will click on it, you can see left padding from this point to this point is going to increase. Okay, as you can see. So if I click on right padding, so you will see that distance from this point to this point is increasing, this point to this point increasing. Okay, so if I select on top padding, so you will see from top distance is increasing. If I click on it, you will see from bottom distance is increasing. So okay, so I will select on save. Okay, so these were the things that mostly you are concerned for designing the email template. Okay, so this is for table, this is for products. If you have a list of products for your store, then you have then you can use it. And this is the drop shadow, and this is spacer. If I want to add some space between these buttons, then I will drag and it is not selected. I will drag and drop it here. As you can see that the spacer is added. Okay, so if you want to make some changing in spacer, then as I have told you, you have to select that component and you will see the changing. So in other cases you are given here block size, but in this case you have to select there are less options for editing, so you are shown it here. So if I want to make some changing, that if I want to colorize the spacer, then I can give it here height, shown desktop and mobile, or you want to show it desktop, or you want to show it on mobile. So you can make changing accordingly. So the main objective of this video was that I can give you the how and now of the drag and drop option. So if you find some good thing from this video, so and if you don't have subscribed my channel up to now, so subscribe it and stay tuned, stay happy. Thank you.